Hello and welcome to my first ever Elementor tutorial. My name is Finn Padrone and today we'll be working through how to create this kind of effect where the image changes on the left side and parallaxes while text kind of scrolls up here on the right. I was asked by someone on a forum to explain how this worked, and I decided making a tutorial might be easier. I've already gone ahead and reproduced this exact layout, plus I added where the image would actually stay in place while the text scrolled off to the side. Without further ado, let's get started. So what you're going to want to do is start with a blank canvas full width. You know the deal. Add an Elementor and then make the height fit to screen. From there, you want to add a background image. I've already grabbed a couple. Let's go with this pretty landscape here. And then go with a background overlay. Actually, let's set this to cover real quickly. Center, size, cover. Cool. Next, let's go to this background and add a gradient. So let's go black and white. Easy enough. Actually, we're going to go white and white, and we're going to make one side transparent. Next, you want to set the location to 50 and then another 50. This is going to make a hard single line. Next, we're going to make this a -90 to turn this a 90 degrees. Actually, let's just make it normal 90. Put that off to the side and set the opacity to 1. This will now create a solid line that goes down and stays in the middle of the page. From here, let's add a new column to add some stuff over here and add a heading and some text. And just to, center this thing in the field, let's just center it and center it since that's how it was done on the original mock-up. Let's add some padding too. 25. Just get it away from the edge a little bit. Cool. Save that, just because I save every 5 seconds. And then we're going to duplicate this field a couple times. So next, let's scroll down to the next one and change the background image to something else. Scroll down to this one, change the background image yet again. Let's go with this snowy owl. And finally, let's add one more of these. Duplicate. All right, so once you have all your sections in place, what you're going to want to do is actually go in and set your sections to fix. This is the piece de la resistance that's going to add the cool little effect that makes it seem like the right is staying in place or is scrolling up while the images stay in place or kind of switch. So what you want to do is just repeat this on every section. I'll speed this up here so you don't have to sit through it. So if we update and check it out, we should have the effect we're looking for. And a little bit extra effect where this thing all stays the same and scrolls up. If you like this tutorial, like it, share it, subscribe it. If you got any questions, just shoot me a message in the comments or a personal message on any of my social medias. My website is linked in my bio and in the comments below. I'm always down to have a conversation. If you see anything else cool with any scroll effects you can add to this, please share them. I would love to see what you guys build with this. Thanks so much.